Hello, Victor here from RestoreYourMercedes.com, and here we have a throttle body for Greg in Georgia. It's 95 500 SL and SL500 rather, and I just rebuilt it and just wanted to show that unit does work indeed. Let's see, here we have the wiring that came from it. They were bad all the way from the beginning, as you can see right here. Let's see if it focuses. You can see that's the connection inside throttle body. I'm sorry, this is on the plug. This is at very end. This is where they should be okay, more or less, but they're actually not. They're just disintegrated all the way to the end. So these wires were badly deteriorated, and obviously here the customer opened up the loom to see how they look inside, and as you can see, there is no insulation left. Just fallen right off like dust. Well, anyway, so actually, while I'm at it, I'm going to transfer over some clips here. Okay. And so basically, this unit is done. I just want to connect it to my test rig. And this portion right here was broken, so it's sealing right now. Along with seams, I siliconed them around. I cleaned internals, potentiometer side, the motor side. I cleaned the butterfly. As you can see, it's nice and shiny right now, as opposed to being all black and pretty nasty looking. So now it's nice and clean. As you can see, it's pretty good. So usually before installation, I would recommend spraying it real quick with carburetor cleaner just to get some residue out. The plug, you see the plug was cut open. Now it's just glued together, and it's pretty much airtight. It's painting also. Alright, let's connect it to the test rig here. I have my test rig that is basically an e-gas module, ASR e-gas module. Let's get all the wires, make sure nothing is touching here, because this is just like sort of a temporary. Okay, and put the power on. You can hear throttle body is humming, and when I move the lever, it obviously opens. Now this test rig is not perfect. It actually shuts down if I keep throttle open for a long time, because it's missing ASR module. It's just e-gas by itself. So next thing I'll do is I'll get me an ASR module to get them to communicate with each other so it doesn't shut off. But as you can see, it works fine. Okay, I can do quickly, I can do slowly, so the unit works. Say I shut down the power, this is limp mode, where lever moves but throttle doesn't open. So halfway down it starts opening mechanically in only this much. So now when we energize it again, it opens up all the way, as you can see. So this is fine. What I'm gonna do is I'll leave it energized for a little bit just to make sure the coil is fine, but I don't see a problem with it, because when I got it, the coil clicked really nicely, loud and clear. So resistance on the coil is 4.6 ohms, which is pretty much ideal. From 4 to 5 is where you want to be. So this one's fine. Now again, this unit I see no problems with at all. There is of course a little bit of wear, because the car has some mileage, seem to be, but not severe. So it should work for quite a few years. It shouldn't be, I mean, nothing is forever, but this unit is definitely gonna last. So this is how it works, and It's ready to be milled out. Again, I'll leave it on like that for a little bit, make it, you know, heat it up, make it warm up, for the coil to warm up, and goes back to the client. Should be fine. Alright, well, that was just a quick video to show that this unit works before I mail it back out to a client. Alright, thanks for watching. More videos you can find at my YouTube channel, or go to my website restoreyourmercedes.com.